making some orange roughy today. I've already put my olive oil and my seasonings on there and rubbed it in. Then I'm gonna do a little special something with these. These are lobster cakes. It has real and imitation lobster and fish flakes. Put our fish, cover it, put it in the oven. All right. Had the oven on 350. Had it in for a couple minutes. Here's my crab cakes. Here's my fish. I'm not cooking it all the way. I just got it to this point. Now, you can use any type of fish. This orange roughy, I don't know if you're familiar with it or not, but it's like a thick tilapia. So it's like, you know, if you like the flavor of tilapia, but it's just more. It's a little thicker, so which makes it better because everybody loves tilapia. And that's that. And I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do with these crab cakes. All right, this is my crab cakes in the bowl. I'm about to mix some seasonings in it. I got some onion powder, some garlic powder, some seasoning salt, black pepper, and garlic salt. I'm only gonna do a little of the salt. I have a little bit of mild cheddar that I'm gonna add into the mixture with some Parmesan cheese. Now, I normally would use the real Parmesan cheese, but I don't have any. And I would use like sometimes a little mozzarella, but this is all the cheese I have. So this is what we're working with. Got that sprinkled in. And I'm just gonna mix it a little bit. Gonna add some butter into it too. Give me one moment. All right, this is the butter that I'm gonna use. All right, I'm about to mix it up. You know, just a little bit. All right, here's the butter. Now everything in there is hot, so it should mix together pretty well. You see that? All right, see how I'm doing that? Mix that in there really good. It's gonna be delish. Yes. All right, give me a moment, and I'm gonna get it topped onto the fish. Like so. That is going to be so good. Ooh, when it crisps up on top. Oopsie. It's gonna be so good. Now this is my husband's favorite meal that I make him. This is like one of the first meals I ever cooked for him. He thought it was something. Don't even realize how quick and easy it was. I'm just gonna make it so it's not, you know, you can still have fish, but have a little bit of stuffing on top too. All right, look at that, take a good look at that. It's not even done, and look at it. This is stuff I have left over. Easy, 5 cheese. Pop those in the oven on 425. Clearly I gotta change that. I'm gonna pop these in the oven, same time. I'm gonna put them on the bottom though. So we don't want these to dry out. You see, they're still moist. We don't want them to dry out. So give me one moment. Let me change that to 425. simple as that. And we're about to put these in the oven. All right, for 2 of our sides, I have some corn on the cob. I just add a little bit of butter, sugar. That's actually brown sugar. And a little bit of Mrs. Dash, that's it. Just to get a corn a little bit of flavor. And then I got some water boiling because I'm gonna make these instant mashed potatoes. This is an easy meal for you and your family. Easy. All right, they're all done. Somebody stole one, clearly. Some lemon on it. All right, and I'll show you it when it's plated. And if you like what you saw today, like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell another friend to come on over to our YouTube channel. Might get some more meals like this. Look at that.